me person me just a quick one now before
right.
On say there's an issue of say NPP for yeso monfa sika bimra.
Yeah. The development fee.
The development fee.
Sure.
I don't say the 41 million is a 4.1 million.
Nomination here, is a 4.6 million.
And yes, so famra.
Okay. That's can 46 billion, right?
Yeah. And I say Omo famra. Okay. Now the attorney say, and you be just a quick school when you make a crabby. Now for your man penny phone and so I to very soon. On say you were Political Party Act 2000, Act 574.
Right.
Na enche you be sure there because you see crowd there were lawyers were ha until ome boy. Na o share a hun hihye na e kire wo say o ye political party. Sure. Say ye ma wo akwenya. Yes.
So Political Parties Act 2000.
Yeah.
All right.
Na the tenny say a more akwenya. Jeff Alpha 14 no Dianebra 1.
Right.
Na okay kanya e kire so uba be political party and now be political party.
Sure.
Ye ma wo sa akwenya na wo de wa council ba. Wo de wa japade ba. Wo de bia wonya osika nyina nso eba. Aha. Ni eka ho.
Bia wonya osika nyina.
Bia wonya osika, bia wo japade wo. Bia wakoma wo nyina na wo se wo de ba. Ema yehu bia wonya wa de no afri.
Okay, ansa na yetimi am wakwenya at party no.
Enti sa wo 13 na. Jeff ye 13 no quickly ema.
Okay.
Nti enne wo ha no amanyofo ni nyina anim.
Right.
Amanyofo ni nyina anim. Ye we quickly na nkofo ati ase. Me chew di enti anakro no koso.
Sure.
But for now no yemfa fact nembra.
Right.
It's over Act of Parliament 2000 man penyu kofo breso ho ba bi o na je so mu gitum. Nti 2000 class na jeji na wo so na. Jeji nti omunya na gitum. Yeah, NDC and NPP before.
And
Omuna G2. Say a quite befa so person would say political party in your manner. Obetimi aye. Jeff the Kaifa 13, we are now the 14 and so amame. Now okay kind 13 now. 13-year declaration of asset and expenditure by political parties. 13 clause 1 or say every political party shall within 90 days after they issue to it a final certificate of registration under section 11
right
or such longer period as the commission may allow submit to the commission within declaring giving details of all its assets and expenditure including contributions or donations in cash or in kind made by the initial asset of the party by its founding members. Aye, say political party be ma unkrata.
Sure.
Say be a gum, say be a movement for change, say be a for this no. You have within 90 days. So be submit we japadi awo. Baby unya sika.
Free.
Oma umu no say be a me Gabi Solomon ne yate party in FM as a party yemfa ye japade sika na ye di she mu no ehemfa ne enya ano wan na be che u sika enya na me kan na ente da ho nkofo betimi akeka bi na se wan fa ma 6 na yeme de 13 clause 6 no e na yeme de
without prejudice to any other penalty prescribed by this act or any other enactment where a political party A refuses or neglects to comply with this section or B submits a declaration which is false in any material particular the commission may cancel the registration of that political party.
Okay.
Wow.
Ekire se uhwe we ye ekire wo se saade na meka ye na mama wo certificate mimi isi mama certificate say ni say no se one farm within that period na meka ye na wo certificate ye beje
right
o certificate here and na when so ente say auditor general no okay kan law na che say gazette gabi mu na omonim law no gazette de che say wo say o manipa wiase nyina ehu meboa so lo anya sanete o gazette che say
wiase nyina
ye nyina be hu say na Jantuah party we no na japade ni founding members ni sika say no mu di ashem
right
now Bakunie 14 no article 14 pacho bra 14 twema
14:1 no
into the kind one no
or say a political party shall within 21 days before a general election submit to the commission
kinkai
send now to comply there. A political party shall within 21 days before a general election submit to the commission a statement of its assets and liabilities in such form as the commission may direct.
Okay.
Or say aka nefua mako eduonu baako
in 2024 na yekoto about 7 December no Mr. Muntitim Emami
7 December and me fan say yeti free mo be chira me fan say 23rd November
ho baby
14th by 14th November
14th November
the second week of November no
it's second week of November you fan say be 14th November na e was say NDC NPP Movement for Change MCPP boom na yisi say according to the act no e was say we dey neighbor wajapade e ka wo die nyina no wo dia bre commissioner no say mpachoje na fi we na wo ho enti the framers of the law no mu nim nyanso
right
enim say ye hu wajapade ansa no akontokwa no na emra no ba ko nsu nie 2 kind political party act 14 clause 14:1
14:1
yes article 14 and on I am can say on act and as day we need the section
14:1
section 14:1 mo na me law
a political party
okay section 14 subsection 1 yeah law law for no
subsection
enti kind way any problem no into we now we abusa amanyofo no mbeba han so my
second part no
okay
we say 2 no
into no be the section 14
subsection 2
but okay
my lord a political party shall within 6 months
sa can be msha na yemede
mandamus a political party shall within 6 months
do what
after a general or by-election which in which it has participated submit to the commission a detailed statement in such form
a
detailed statement not just a statement a detailed statement in such form as the commission may direct of all expenditure incurred for that election. Wow. So we have all these.
Enti emrano what's the section 14 subsection 2 essay after 6 months into 2 about December 7th no January, February, March, April, May, June, July 2025 e was NDC MPP wo mo ko abato nyina 2024 no o mo di o ma accounts ba emi ehu se yera Jo Mahama ni NDC ye mo sika sei eja nkofo we ne ma o sika sika no mo de to ha ye to cars ma o mo ena o mu koye rally no mu koye no mu to nsuo o mu to hwan o mu de sika ni bi ma sisifia o mu ni nyina ye detailed accounts
side checks di nyina o be detail
e wo se ye detailed hotel akoda ye e ho ka ni nyina detailed accounts
na ade we wo hodi asene nka ye monocracy e wo ye elections mu nketfo betwa because if your expenditures are going to be reviewed to the commission in this manner there na nko obi antimi nkochiche sika ne ade because ntimi nkoka say must spend this huge sum of money na ntimi nchire de odi sika na ye
sentina this issue ye relevant campaign for no bo medical me the facts in there
but is the commissioner aware say from I think is it one of the election CSOs investigate say you need about $200 million to go through that.
The facts
Matthias, there's more into it. Eugene Cass was bikini.
Yeah.
And when you go into this,
we
shouldn't have problems. Say Yebeka say ubia boka ti obedi o -1 ko obeteneka.
Okay, inti main position in say akrache for ne ba omomo ye amanyosem ne ba. This session no yenka ya asem facts in say unim de ntia because Jeff Fatu Suma 2019 me petition I personally petition EC say omufa audited accounts of NPP ni NDC bra 2019 commission MFime 2019 based on this law say within 6 months, not even after 6 months, within 6 months, it means say so would you ready between their February, March, April, May, June, within 6 months. And the question of me was say, Yemfa NDC ni MPP because so many are not funding near more. So lomu wa MPP for no so hamba buso mu say June na so ye wo July, and the cry day September. Omu mienu. Why na din accounts? Akwamia Gazette and yes, I would the Quack envelope mo. A Gazette. Why, yes, Ubia law now. Yeah, so Gazette, a Gazette, a publicized mayor who say NDC for at the 24 billion, MPP for the 30 billion. Baumiaka, once maybe Baumiaka said, maybe 300 pickups. Yeah, Sadia, no, it has to be part of the account. Sure. Why not the 300 pickups in Mao? What catch you saying? We need to question. Yeah. Yara John Mahama, Presa Prena no Mujina platform. Obia will contribute to Biano. And what say you? The question is that.
So this one, Nanako Jantuah 11 December 2019, Krata. Or the Equine Yatro Wasem Koma, a Yeshra Sunyimu. Or say journalist easy. Or say journalist demands audited accounts of NDC MPP from EC. December
2019.
This abread and then say Yaku anymore.
And I'm saying Yanko because me discusses are the way 2025. But I won't say I'm running near Juma Womaimu.
So that's 6 years ago.
Yes, 6 years ago.
Or say a private citizen and broadcast journalist Nanako Jantuah has written to the Electoral Commission of Ghana to demand the audited accounts of the two biggest political parties in the country, the governing New Patriotic Party and the main opposition National Democratic Congress. Mr. Jantuah wrote to the EC through his lawyer, Nana Ajiman Osborne of Osborne Legals. In the letter to EC, Mr. Jantuah demanding accounts of demanding accounts of the two major political parties pursuant to the Political Parties Act 2000, Act 574, which mandates all political parties to file with the Commission within 6 months from 31st December of each year the following document, a return in the form of specified by the Commission.
Share specifics now, Okano. Enti solom penfo mo ba no ma ba bichichibo tie enioma ehihiem. First one the following document. The document was
specified by the Commission
number 1
the state of its accounts,
the return. Okay, the state of its accounts.
The party no, or my accounts.
Or my accounts. Once I say MPP for so miniska, the second one,
and the sources of its funds.
Sources of funds.
Sure.
Mandatory.
Yeah.
Enti baby obi enya nisika. Sebia na Jantuah ma 3,000. Yeah, unidentia because ebeboa me a Tracy.
Yeah.
Said dear Juma no ya wotimi ma wonko ai bia 70 billion.
Sure.
What you say? The other one here then.
Or say membership dues paid.
So what is that to be MPP ni NDC for so mu e wan see the community dues. Enti say anya dues no sika no mde ye nneoma. Next one.
National Cathedral Momo Kraira.
Next one.
Contributions or donations in cash or kind.
Enti contribution do bia ma wo no obeboa Solomon Anane or the teacher sika yi accounts kakra teacher for Dominiska bebre 10,000 omo dey support here.
Okay.
Me dey talk credit. Ni nyina wo so chirechirim.
Okay. The properties of the party and time of acquisition.
Enti time a wo wajapade na account won say e maybe NDC buy no me headquarters MPP so buy ya ejoso John Kuma waye fefe ni nyina accounts ni nyina wo si yehu
glass nko ade
ni nyina wo si yehu
okay so such other particulars as the commission may reasonably require and audited accounts of the party for the year.
Simple. These were the key things I mature 2019 say I can't go home adwuma. The nti I make a short.
Then mature say.
Then mature ni nyina ne say emre bi sa abre no na MPP fo ahia e wo baba yara. Amu ye yibima for Nana Akufo-Addo at that time no mu person mu genuine fan but we na ho nsem bebre bae and I realize say okwa approach that in terms of political funding no different
right
ye ma obi ba ko ma meje sikane emoso enti de bia there's that transparency but aha no de entia whether John Mahama or Nana Akufo-Addo no obo say esikafo no mu sponsor wo no emu control enti bo so obi be bie ne anase we wanye campaign pe solo bro twifa ne bokran ansa no nya sa position no and so po ma o ma ko ama MPP a
eno kra na kan de mai
what you say Solomon anane eye part upo ma ko ama MPP a what you hwehwe yamin
NDC fo
obi akwa ba obo say panyi we ye hu no campaign ase but obi o ye Ghana gas CEO o ye ho ahwan CEO
nes wo ye bibi wa
ba ko hwemu no na bam offending
ba wonyinanim
you understand so all these things in the case emre bi say ye nyankrata say na Akufo-Addo akwakoche ne bia 40,000 bi I ho nsem ebaye all these things no and ntina na kwabere Japan ye nhihye bi say Sikaneba for accounts mu. So he was doing something right in MPP. So the for accounts ni mo we can do proper auditing
with account statement.
With the account statement, yes, we say no see a file say munyina munkofo bi say na mai sika we mai 1,000. But near with sika ye de come flag bearer now direct. Until you are not able to even account for it. And then MPP for 40 something million. You need the NDC for so be
46 billion.
It's now you have to cough out.
So this has denied some of the candidates and all
new people. How am I going to get 40 something?
And the others. Some people were interested, but what is Ghana won't mean
46 billion. Men found quiet them me person me kosum.
And you see, Nana Adebakwa how many say? You see, it distracts party democracy because ni pebi wo a omu ba mu a no muntimi express the ewo mu a ebeboa mo manya ho keka wo party nim. Now those people who has been disenfranchised by this particular huge sum of money no ebemo manya some pain be within their hearts. The party no cry favorable
and that is why it is dangerous to say monocracy issue no and then no say unye u person sum on maya unfortunately just say who join the biggest political party and NDC MPP Nhyira Alan oka senke bia on na MPP flag bearer konya more votes Yera John Mahama opa onye independence obenya sa vote na obi amfa no ho it's your system na yempo ikoye NDC ni MPP third force na na edin but before so obenya sa third force no you can say any of the forces biggest forces no NDC MPP just utia because you catch you say we spend $200 million and san wa ba be flag bearer e che say Dr. Baumia any JM Nkwano $400 million do you know what $400 million can do for the other ones ne keka ho it means a flag bearer se pono nkwa be wie no ni spend close over $600 to $700 million
to we are party yeska
na $700 million so we are no call IMF so I'm thinking that if we don't put certain structures down na yentimi ambie ma obi atimi contribute na kwete say few people are contributing na imagine 41 billion 46 billion so clearly no the easy na me want so
accountability
I have been disappointed in the electoral commission onye na dwuma ye na lawyers for na wa minim how I can sue easy because on also responded so maybe I have to reactivate it lawyers no mo me that 2019 I no can say pursuant and 2019
pursuant and
reference ntimunchro mame say 2019 me sure say NDC ni MPP ma council na ama wadaroma enye wo die bibia 2025 mesrew ya penikutu okay pese ehun say July aso 6 months aso political parties ben onoma fulfill omo mandate based on the act 2009 you can't want some. I am still demanding the audited accounts of all the political parties.
Very important.
And I'm expecting the Electoral Commission to act on that. And yes, sir, I will take legal action.
Right.
Maybe.
Thank you, Nana Kwejo Jantuah, and our training can is one of the areas and we are pass corruption. We need these things. I mean, transparency. Thank you very much, Nana Kwejo Jantuah, or join.